Alrighty, this is going to be a tutorial for drawing exercise number 10. First thing, I'm going to make sure I'm doing all my work in the correct project. So I'm going to come up to my CAD practice project that I had previously created and double click on it, and I'm just ready to go. I don't need a new folder because all I'm putting is my CAD practice in this one. So I'm ready to create my new component. We'll call it Makin's drawing 10. Okay, and I want to create a sketch, work off my front plane, click in the space, and I'm going to hide this particular like folder organization system right now by the data panel, by clicking on the 9 squares up here. All right, so here I am, got my workspace, and I've got my file that I'm going to recreate right here. And for me, in my eyes, I'm going to choose to start right here with this radial arc of 15. Remember, if the radius of a circle is 15 millimeters, then the diameter of the circle, or the distance all the way across, is 30 millimeters. The other thing that just reminded me is I need to come up here to my document settings. My default document setting units is inches. I just think better that way, but we are working in millimeters here, so I need to switch that on over. All right, so here I am. I'm going to start with the center circle and 30 millimeters. Next trick, not necessarily trick, but I need to have lines coming up from either side of the circle. So I'm going to go to the center, scoot myself over. It's kind of hard to see. There's the little dotted lines that came out there. That's helpful. So I'm going to, again, go to the center circle, come off to the edge of my circle, and that little X tells me I'm at the edge of the circle. I'm going to drop my first end of my line there, and then I'm going to type 30 millimeters. And I'm going to go ahead and build the line off that other side as well. 30 millimeters. And I'm going to keep on going right now. Got a line of 35 millimeters. And then I don't know what I have. Over here, I don't have a distance and I don't have an angle. So I'm kind of stuck for a little bit. So I'm going to work my way back the other way and see if I can't get myself unstuck. So here we go. Line segment, 50 millimeters. There's that. And then I've got what looks like, the circle, a quarter of a circle, right? We've been using, when we've had half circles, we've been using that circle feature. But I don't know how to connect my circle to this line very well. So I'm going to use a different feature up here. I'm going to use a create arc, and I'm going to do a tangent arc. Okay, so my arc is tangent to this endpoint, and it's got a 20-degree radius. Okay, then I'm going to come to my line tool, pick my line tool, make sure I have them connected there, and I've got a straight line that comes down 70. And then I'm going to make sure I've got these two things tangent to each other. Yep, that's kind of what I thought. So except that moved. This caused that whole thing to shift. So let me set the arc tangent. Nope, that kept moving it. Well, it looks like it may already well be attached. So I think I'm okay. Don't need to make it tangent today. Or let's see, can I? Here we go. I actually want to make it coincident. Let's do this. Come down 70. And let's get that coincident with. I think we're good. All right, now I've got a line coming over 30 millimeters. 30, need to go up 20. Now I've got circle I can drop in. Let's see. Let's see if I can make them this tangent to that. Nope. Make nope. So let's do this. Okay, so I'm going to draw a little line out here that's 10 millimeters off off the end, because that's going to be the radius, right? The radius is 10. So now I can come make center circle. I also wonder, yeah, come here, do my center circle at 20, a diameter of 20, and then it matches up where I want it to. So that works out lovely. So now I'm going to get my line. I'm going to hit center my circle. I'm going to scoot it over, get my dotted lines. I'm going to come down 20. Keep on keeping on. I'm going to go over to the right 60 millimeters. I'm going to come up 20. Come on. 20. I'm going to make my little 10 millimeter line again. I'm going to do my circle. And then I'm going to delete out my little line. Start the center, dotted line over to the edge, got my X, click, come down 20. I don't think it's right. I've typed something in wrong here. It's like there's two lines, little lines, huh? Gotta check your work, friends. 20. 10. Circle. Diameter 20. Delete out little line. Start at the center. Scoot over with the dashed lines. Come down 20. Now, come over another 40 millimeters. I'm going to come up 44 millimeters. And then I close the gap. Oh, nope, I can't finish my sketch because I've got to trim out these arcs. So, oh no, what do? How do I go back to edit my sketch? I go here to the name of my component. I hit my drop down. I hit sketches. I'm in sketch 1 and I'm going to edit sketch. And this is what I forgot to do. I forgot to trim out some arcs. Now, how do we look? Looks like we match up very nicely. Alrighty, drawing exercise number 10. Have fun. Let us know if you have questions.